This may well be one of the most popular new features in Photoshop CS, and that's the ability to take advantage of a new feature called Layer Comps. What it basically does is let me have a variety of different combinations of layers. So here's what the Layer Comps palette looks like. It's very basic, but what it lets you do is create a series of these layer comps. So basically it would look like this. Let me move this down here for a moment. This is the one look of my magazine cover. Now look at my layers palette. I've just changed the taken away the thumbnail just so I can show you all the different layers in here, and I have a few layers that are not currently visible, which are alternate views for this magazine. So I basically want to present a couple of different options to my clients when I'm showing them. So basically I want to make sure all my layers are both showing and in the position I want them to be, and I simply click on the bottom of this button here to say create a new layer comp, and we're going to call this red banner so we know what it is. And notice it allows me to save the following information: visibility, position, and appearance. In other words, things like layer styles, and you can even put comments to say this is the version with the red banner and so on. So I click OK. Then we're going to go ahead and make some changes to this by showing different layers. So we're going to hide the red banner and the text and show our black banner and show a different background, and we're also going to say, you know what, this text would probably look better if it was over here, and so with this one, I should have linked those together, but that's okay. We can just change it like this. And let's take this one, put it over here. Just leave it for that for now, and we'll assume that's our second combination. So once again, we click on the new comp, and we'll call it black banner. Very creative names. Again, keeping in mind that it's showing visibility, position, appearance, and so on. Click OK. So now when it comes time to show our client the couple of options, instead of going through and saying, hold on one second while I hide and show all these layers, I simply click on either this layer comp, which is the red banner. Notice how it's not only changed the images, but it's actually moved the type layers back where they were, or this version. And as you can imagine, you can have multiple versions in the same document. So what this does is it takes the already exciting world of layers that gives you all kinds of options and takes it a huge step further by being able to save different layer combinations as these layer comps.